Moisturizing lip balm. The skin on our lips is very delicate and needs special care. The protective covering on its upper layer, epidermis, which is called the stratum corneum, is much thinner than on the rest of our body. Another thing is that the skin on the lips lacks the sebaceous glands, which produce natural oils to moisturize and protect the skin, so it means we need to take care of it. How to make a natural moisturizing lip balm. Basically, you only need 3 ingredients to make a moisturizing lip balm, and you can choose what you have available. Product categories to choose from. Natural carrier oils. These oils make our lip balm softer, smoother, and easier to apply. They hydrate and moisturize the lip skin, helping with dry and chapped lips. The best oils here would be avocado, coconut, jojoba, rosehip, castor oil, and shea oil. Natural butters. Butters are denser, heavier, and creamier, so their effect will last longer. They will seal the moisture within the lip skin, keeping your lips soft, supple, and moisturized for longer. The examples of such oils are shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter. Natural flavoring substances. If you want to add some nice scent to your lip balm, you can use natural oil as a flavoring agent. It could be lavender, vanilla, clove, peppermint, cinnamon, or grapefruit essential oil. Lip balm recipe. This is just an example. You can make your own lip balm using the ingredients you like. Take 1 tablespoon of shea butter and 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, mix them, melt on low heat, and let them cool down. After that, add 4 drops of peppermint essential oil in the mixture, and stir thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a suitable container, such as an empty chapstick tube, and put into the fridge for 2 to 6 hours. Your natural moisturizing lip balm is ready. It is safe, non-toxic, and even edible. Use as needed. You can also use it as a pretty gift for your loved ones or friends.